Hey everyone, Tanay here, and I'm doing this really quick video. It's kind of like super new, and I just wanted to jump on this because I've been so excited, and I literally feel like we have just unlocked another level of agentic GTM. So I think everyone knows at this point, like Clay is now available as a connector inside of Claude, and then that's fine. Like I tested this out, but it's cool if you're like a SDR or like a AE who just wants to go into the Claude interface and like just type like, hey, find me contacts who da 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 da. But I'm a Claude Code power user, so I like my workflows to be a little bit more complex because first of all, I can't trigger Claude conversations from somewhere else. So let's say I'm receiving data from an external source, which is Apollo or from Zapier or N8N, and then I want to go and enrich contacts or find contacts based on the data that I've received. So this has to be inside of a workflow, right? Which can't happen from here. So what I did was like the moment I read this announcement, I immediately jumped on the Clay Slack over here and I asked Peter like, hey Peter, when is this going to be released for Claude Code? And then I realized like very quickly that there's something mind-blowing going on here. And it actually is available to you inside of Claude Code immediately. So I will show you how to set it up and how this works right now. So first of all, we are going to go and try and connect this connector in Claude right now. So straightforward. This should be pretty straightforward. You just go to your settings and then you go here to connectors and then you find, by the way, just to let you know and just to show you, if I open up Claude Code right now and I do MCPs, I have nothing. It says no MCP servers connected. So we are going to go and connect the Clay MCP or Clay connector to Claude Code now. So we will go browse connectors and we're going to look for Clay over here. And we're going to click on connect. So this is going to automatically take me to my Clay account. Boom, there we go. That's our internal workspace. We're going to authorize this. Boom. That means that Clay is now connected over here. So I should be able to see it add from Clay. There we go. And in connectors, we have Clay. So now you know that we can do stuff like find, I'm not going to go into this right now, but I know that Clay is now connected over here, but the mind-blowing thing is that if I go here and if I do exit and I come back to Claude Code, so just type Claude. So we've got Claude running over here. I'm going to do MCPs. Boom, there we go. The Claude AI Clay connector is already here. This is a game changer for us. Like my mind is blown. This is so cool that my Claude Code is actually looking at the connected Claude AI account and pulling in all the connector information from there itself. So now I can do cool stuff over here. Like I can say like, find me all the people who work at claybootcamp.com. And I mean, maybe I should have been like more specific, but there we go. It even knows like without me doing anything, it knows like it needs to call the tool Claude AI Clay. So I have to just go and approve it. And then boom, it used the Claude tool, the Clay tool to go and find and enrich contacts at this company. And if I do Control O or Command O, it's already got like let's see what it did. Yeah, so it did a search ID, the company domain description, and this is already promising. There we go. Now we already found like our founder, we found people who work here, and then I can even go and say something like get their emails. And now it's just basically using my Clay credits to go and find contact information and everything for these people. Now this is such a huge unlock for us who used to go and kind of cobble together a bunch of tools for enrichment and like contact finding and like finding decision makers and signals, but all of that power is now directly available over here inside of Claude Code. So you can have incredibly complex agentic workflows where finding people inside of Clay is just a small part of the entire workflow. So I can't wait to actually go and build with this, and also, yeah, I can't wait to build with this and showcase some of this on LinkedIn. So yeah, hopefully all of this makes sense. If you have questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments, and excited to hear what you will be doing with this. All right.